Hey, how are you doing? My name is Mike. I just wanted to reach out to you real quickly. If you're watching this video, there's a very good chance you responded to one of my ads in marketing. Maybe you're looking for a way to make some additional income working from home. I just want to give you a little bit of encouragement. I've been in this industry now, the digital marketing space, for about 18 years, and I think I've seen it all. This is a skill set that I think everyone should have. We're right now in an economy where it's pretty tough. People are having a hard time making ends meet, and they're looking for ways to make additional income working from home. If that's you, I want to give you a little bit of encouragement and share with you a skill set that I think can be super beneficial for you. The way things have evolved in this industry over the last number of years has been really instrumental. When I first started, it was a lot more difficult to do what we can do there today. Today you have the tools, you have ways of marketing for free, you have cut and paste, you can do different sorts of ads if you want. What I'm here to show you is a blueprint that you can learn how to market from home, work an hour or two a day. You don't have to do it all at one time, 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there. But if you put in an hour to 2 hours a day and learn this skill, you'll be able to put some additional income into your family. Now, I'm not going to hype this up and say that you can go make millions of dollars, but I absolutely believe that you can absolutely make $500 to $1,000 a day doing what I'm talking about right now. We have a community of over 27,000 people. We teach individuals such as yourself. Maybe you're looking for a way to make additional income. So we give you the blueprint. We give you the step-by-step. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do. And we're going to show you how to do this on a shoestring budget if that's your case. If you have money for marketing, that's great. But if you don't have a lot of money for marketing, you can do this for free. You can copy and paste and you can run ads and you're going to get leads and you're going to get conversions and you're going to make good money. So I won't make this super long. I just want to give you a little bit of encouragement, let you know that this is real, let you know that I'm real. I put myself out there so people can see that I am real. You have all my contact information somewhere around this video. You have my phone number, email. You can reach out to me on Facebook, LinkedIn. Get in touch with me. Ask me questions, and I'll be happy to answer those for you and help you get started. And I'll show you, based on what your budget is, I'll show you how to do this as most cost-effective possible. All right, so somewhere around here's a link. Certainly click it, and there'll be a video that you can learn more about how this works, and you can see our community. And we're real people, and like I said, there's over 27,000 people, and there are more coming in every day. So if that's you looking for a way to make some additional income, you're looking to partner with people that are real, then reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer your questions and get you going. So I want to wish you a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.